everyone. Welcome to Free Info Friday. Today's topic is about power of attorney and guardianship. So I'm going to go a little bit into what each one is and kind of what the difference is. So a durable power of attorney allows an attorney, in fact, to manage the property of another after they've been incapacitated. Or if they're just unable to properly manage, or perhaps they just don't want to manage their own property, so they appoint somebody else that they trust to do so. So for a durable power of attorney, this has to be put into effect before incapacitation. In other words, the person who is given the durable power of attorney has to be competent. So let's say a lot of situations for durable powers of attorneys are usually elderly people, where, let's say, mom's kind of losing it, or she's just getting older and doesn't have the time or the skills to properly manage her checkbook and things like that. So let's say the son wants to step in and help mom manage these sorts of things. Assuming that mom's fully competent, then a durable power of attorney would be a perfect fit in that case. Now, let's say that mom has dementia or Alzheimer's and isn't totally there and doesn't really know what's going on. In that case, mom's not going to be able to give durable power of attorney to her son because she's simply not competent to do so. So in a situation like this, the son would need to get guardianship over mom in order to have access to managing her funds, her property, things like that. A guardianship differs from a durable power of attorney in the fact that in a guardianship situation, the person who needs a guardian is not fully competent, whether it be due to Alzheimer's, due to a mental disability. There could be various reasons. So a guardianship is done when somebody is already incapacitated. They're not fully competent, and they need a guardianship to look over their funds, their health management, all sorts of things. So durable power of attorney and guardianship both have different types. So you could have a durable power of attorney over healthcare, where you only get to decide healthcare decisions. Similarly, you can have a guardianship over the person only, rather than the person and their estate. So if you had a guardianship only over the person, this would allow you to make healthcare decisions and things like that, but you wouldn't have any access to this person's property, their estate, any of their money, or anything like that. So if that's something that you may need, then you would need to be a guardian of the estate. And you can be a guardian of the estate and the person if they need both and a judge approves both. So that's kind of how they differ. A durable power of attorney is a fairly simple document. If everyone's competent, it can be signed, notarized, and then it's all said and done. Whereas a guardianship, you need to file a petition. It needs to be, it'll either be heard by a judge, or at least a judge is going to look over the information and determine whether he or she thinks this guardianship is necessary. So a guardianship's a little more of a serious process, whereas a durable power of attorney is just a simple document. But all involved need to be competent for a durable power of attorney, whereas a guardianship, the person who you're trying to get guardianship over is likely not competent, which is why you're trying to get guardianship. So I hope that all makes sense. If not, feel free to reach out to me and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. If you have any topic ideas for Free Info Friday, please let me know. I'd love to hear them. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post videos every Friday. Otherwise, you can just check my Facebook or LinkedIn page. And I will be posting new videos every Friday. As always, you can call, text, email, or Facebook message me, and I will respond as soon as I get it. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I look forward to working with you. Bye.